Hi, everyone. This is Monica Rebella, and I want to let you know that we're having an upcoming seminar on labor law updates and changes that we as employers in California really need to get our heads and hands wrapped around. The seminar is going to be held on Friday, January the 17th, and we're pleased to be able to have Anita York do this for us at her offices. She is an attorney that works with dentists. So she absolutely knows what you're going through. She spends a lot of time with dentists, both helping them to avoid issues as well as what happens when you do get into those issues. So I'm encouraging you to please listen to what we're going to cover. Anita's going to go over that. And mark your calendars, RSVP, come to this update seminar. It's going to be held on Friday, January 17th. And I'm going to let Anita speak a little bit here on what she's going to cover. Anita.
Hi there. Well, as Monica said, my name is Anita York. If you don't already know me, I am an employment law defense attorney and a partner with the law firm of Scott & Whitehead located here in Orange County. I do represent probably 1 to 200 dentists and have been representing dentists for several years now. If you own a dental practice here in California and if you have any employees whatsoever or if you have associate dentists, I really do encourage you to come to the seminar that Monica mentioned on Friday, January 17th, which is entitled 2014 Legal Updates and Hot Topics for Dental Practices. I'm sorry to say that employees are continuing to sue employers, and especially their former employers, in record numbers. And in today's world, dental practices are far from immune. To make matters worse, California employment laws continue to change in ways that make the likelihood of employer error by you higher than ever before. For example, are you aware of the new requirements if one of your employees becomes pregnant? Because apparently the requirements were not already heavy enough. Are you aware of the newest protected classes and what that means to your practice? And do you know what is now required of you if an employee tells you that he or she is being stalked, even if it has nothing to do with your dental practice? Even if you don't anticipate problems in any of these areas, there are many more potential pitfalls that you need to be aware of for 2014 and beyond. Just last year, we represented multiple dental practices whose former employees sought payment for unpaid overtime, as well as penalty payments for alleged violations of rest breaks, meal periods, and employee benefits. Those claims alone represent potentially tens of thousands of dollars in back pay, in penalties, in interest, and that doesn't even begin to cover attorney's fees. Believe it or not, my goal is to prevent you from incurring attorney's fees by understanding what is required and what is prohibited so that you can avoid these types of claims. So as we enter 2014, I think that it's just imperative that you, dental practice owners, know what you must do, know what you may do, and know what you're not permitted to do in areas such as employee compensation, including overtime and bonuses, those are hot topics, alternative work week schedules, leaves of absence, social networking posts, disability accommodation, and the list goes on. So on Friday, January 17th, we're going to cover these topics and more. The program will begin at 9 a.m. with a discussion of what's new for 2014. Topics will include the new laws, recent notable cases in the employment arena, and current trends, what we're seeing in employment law claims and lawsuits. We'll provide a light lunch around 11, and at that time we're going to open up the discussion to a more of a round-table, informal format and discuss just about any employment questions or issues you may have. After lunch, we will cover wage and hour rules and requirements, alternative workweek schedules, employee benefits, and topics related to that area. You'll also receive a handout which will contain current information and practical tools for your use and not just a copy of PowerPoint slides. And last but not least, this program is approved for 3.5 hours of CE credits. So the cost of the program is only $99, a small price to pay to avoid potential legal problems. To register, please just click on the link below, download the PDF flyer and order form, and follow the directions. As of this time, there are only about 6 openings left, so don't wait to register. Again, the course is next Friday, January 17th, from 9 a.m. till about 1 p.m., and will include lunch. Our offices are located on Dove Street in Newport Beach, just about 1 mile from Orange County Airport. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call my office at 949-222-0166. All of that information is also included on the flyer, so again, please just click on the link below. And we hope to see you on January 17th. Take care.